Hello awesome developers. So in this video we're going to push a React application on Heroku. So first step is we push this application on GitHub, and then from GitHub we directly push this application on Heroku. Super easy. So let's start it. So first get a GitHub account, and after login your dashboard should look like some near this. So now click on this plus icon and now click on repository, and now give any name to repository like my site, its name, that name is available, and take everything default and click on create repository. So it will create a repository for you. And now the step is very easy. Just copy the first command, git init, the second command, git init, go to your terminal, paste it, initialize the git for you. The second command is git add dot, it will take all file on staging area. Now type git commit, like you have to commit the code. I type init, and there you can type anything, enter, and now your code is committed. Now you have to set the origin. So go the GitHub page and find this link, git remote add origin, copy and paste it on terminal, hit enter. Now your origin is set. Now just type git push -u origin master and hit enter. It will push the code in GitHub for you. So okay, now your code is on GitHub. Now just refresh the page and you have your code. Fine, first step is finished. Now go to heroku.com, register your account and log in on your account. After you log in, you can see a similar interface like this. So now click on this create new app, and after that it's asking for a name. Give my site is okay, my site is available, so I create the app. And now after that you have an interface like this. So you can see this, you can see I'm on deploy, and there is an option called GitHub, connect to GitHub. Click on this option. Maybe it asks for connection, I already connected, and now you can see this is my GitHub ID, right? And now search for the repository you want to deploy. Like our repository name is my site, so I search for my site and search it. Okay, I can see the my repository, and now click on connect, and it will be automatically deploy your site on production. And now click on enable automatic deploy and deploy the branch. Okay, it will take a little bit of time, but it will deploy. Okay, so now it's saying that the site is successfully deployed. Now click on view and you should be able to see your site. And yeah, I can see the title. Boom, you can see our site is now deployed on Heroku. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe on my channel. Bye bye, see you on the next video.